Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales. We'll set the parking brake. Yep, that works. We'll start her up. See the gas gauge and the oil gauge are all up. It's cold. It just started. Tack does not work. 21404 is what the odometer shows, but who knows what that was. Let's see. Pretty sure the radio works. Yep. Alright, hear the radio working. Has seat belts in it, 4-speed with console. Blinker to the left, blinker to the right. Horn works. Oh, that's the lights. Wipers aren't going to turn on with the light switch, are they? I thought the wipers worked. Well, take a look at that. I'm pretty sure they did work, but we'll take a look at that and make sure. Fan works. That's the old fan making a little noise. There we were shutting that off, but I suppose it never gets used. Nobody ever uses a defroster in Nevada when they're driving one of these. So we'll take a look at the lights. Take a listen. Got a Holly carburetor on there, HEI, power brakes. Said runs like a watch. Aluminum radiator for good cooling, so this is just a perfect driving car. Good sounding dual exhaust. Tail lights work. So if you're looking for a good cruiser convertible, great color, top end, and the body with red and white. So 605-695-7391.